Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET for another brand new video. Google is ready to take a page out of Apple's book with the Pixel 6 and build its own processor to power its latest smartphones. That's the news from 9 to 5 Google. They claims that this fall's Pixel lineup will be the first to feature the GS11 Whitechapel chip developed jointly by Google and Samsung. 9 to 5 Google bases that report on documentation confirming the move away from Qualcomm Snapdragon system on chip. This news isn't completely new. Last year, an Axios report claimed that Google and Samsung had launched a partnership to develop a custom chipset. Previous Pixel phones have all used Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. Making its own processors would give Google more control over its own hardware. Potentially, it will help differentiate the Pixel from other smartphones. This chip could also be used in other Google products, including Chromebooks. If you are wondering why Google might go its own way with the processors, just consider its main rival Apple. Its iPhones have been powered by Apple-designed silicon for years, giving Apple an edge when it comes to designing its devices. The iPhones powered by Apple's A-series chips routinely outperform the best Snapdragon chipsets in benchmark tests. Apple has even taken up chipmaking a step further by starting to move its Mac laptops to in-house M1 processors. Based on the documents 9 to 5 Google saw, Google is referring to this chip as the GS101, with GS standing for Google Silicon. The chip is expected to power two Google phones this fall, the Pixel 6 and a second model that could be an XL version of that phone. Now we got another interesting update regarding Huawei. As you already know, Huawei doesn't have the best reputation in the US, but internationally it was once a major smartphone player. Despite US sanctions, it is still kicking and putting out beautiful, powerful phones. We expect its next device to be the P50 Pro, and now there are some new concept renders released courtesy of concept creator and Let's Go Digital. You can see a distinctive Leica camera module and the curved display. It's a beautiful phone from any angle, and we hope that the final design matches what we see here. Rumors has that the P50 Pro will feature the world's first 1-inch camera sensor on a smartphone, the Sony IMX 800. This would allow the main camera to bring in more light, making for brighter photos and better low-light shots. Rumors also suggest the phone will have a triple lens setup, wide, ultra-wide and telephoto. We have heard that Huawei will announce the new P series in April. The P50 name isn't confirmed, it follows suit from Huawei's previous P devices. There might be two models, a Pro and a regular. The P50 Pro might come with Huawei's homegrown Kirin 9000 processor, while the regular P50 might get the lower tier Kirin 9000E. Let's Go Digital believes that the P50 Pro will have a curved 6.6-inch OLED QHD Plus display and a 120Hz refresh rate. It might also have an in-display fingerprint sensor. Based on the renders, the selfie camera will be a single sensor with a centered punch hole cutout. We don't have any clue when Huawei will announce the new P series. It could be as soon as this month, but it could also be pushed back into June due to supply issues. Only Huawei knows, so we'll have to just wait. Well, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get daily updates. Till the next time.